everyone, NeNe here with NeNe's Auto and Reviews. I am on the way to go pick up a vehicle I want at Copart. We're on the road. We're in a U-Haul because we're actually in the process of moving as well. I don't know if y'all can see that little car dolly back there on the back of the truck, but we are headed to the Copart right now to pick up my vehicle that I want. So I will see you guys when I get there. We gotta stop and get gas. We are pressed for time. So when I get there, I will film a little bit more. Alright guys, we are 3 minutes away, 0.5 miles to our turn. So I will get to y'all, back to y'all in a few minutes when, like I said, when I arrive to the car.
In a quarter of a mile.
I'm excited, but I'm nervous. So they said this was a run-in drive, so let's hope all is well. All is well. If not, it will be getting towed by us. Okay, yeah, I guess so. I guess they're in there. It said we'll text you in. You see, your thing says Copart or something?
I don't see no station wagon.
That's because it's probably in the gate. Could be over there, or I guess it's transport, or what did y'all use? They'll text me when they ready. I'm the only one if I can hear. He got whatever he gonna get. Is that a, what is that on there? It might be a Fusion. All right, you guys, so we're here. So I just gotta wait. So when they are done and they're ready for me, I will text you. I mean, I will come back on when I get the car out here. Okay. So it could be way over there somewhere. Who knows? There you go. To me. Or they might be hanging in there. Usually they have a zip tie around the steering wheel. But I'm hanging from there. There you go, y'all. Ooh, yeah, be easy for my girl. Thanks, let me check in there. Thank you. Oh yeah, let me see. Hope the doors is unlocked. Let's see. So this is what I got, y'all. It's hidden right there, missing a corner light.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Ooh, look at that. Start right up, sound clean. Ooh, sound just like my 1990 joint. The hell is this? I don't know if I need to sign anything. All right, y'all, let's take a look under the hood. I'm gonna walk around and take a look at the fluids. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's a paint. You see that? Might be a little bit right there, but take a look at the fluids. Oh, I forgot to bring the damn Windex. I wonder if I can get that off with the, what's the name? Oh yeah, too. What's the name? It got Bluetooth. Hang on. Yeah, remember I told you it's hit right here in the corner. Like, is this bent in? Oh, good. It doesn't look like it's bent in. We checking the oil. Looks pretty daggone clean too. It smells like nothing. We'll see how much transmission fluid's in there too. Let me
don't worry about it. I'll just go through it. Go get your tag and stuff.
Alright, let me check. Check. You wanna hold this and record the transmission fluid? That's that thing in the back too. I don't know if you need me. I guess he need me to start with it.
Probably need a cord in here. Oil. Outside of that, it started right up. That's a good sign. Let's see what it do. Oh, she took the key. You gotta crank it so I can check it. I don't even know where.
Oh, wait a minute. You might not be able to.
Yeah, I ain't got my knife anyway.
I know. I got this.
Oh, that's all. They put new plugs on it.
Yeah, I noticed that. I think it was a good. The stereo, aftermarket stereo got Bluetooth.
I don't see what it.
This damn, I ain't cutting this one right. You probably get it because it's strong. He sprayed it because it's stinking her. All right, sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. But yeah, so this is, I'm gonna give y'all a full like tour of it when I get home. The steering wheel might be where I just sprayed this all in there. This light is, the back light is messed up some, but it's pushed in right here. It sounds clean though. The hatch still opens, it's just I'm gonna have to get a back light. I could probably pull that out some. All right, so y'all, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. So it got this back here. It's pretty daggone clean back here though. So the light is pushed in a little bit. I'm gonna have to get the light out and put a new one in, because you can see where it's broke down right there. I'm gonna have to check to see if I have brakes. I'm gonna have to check to see if I got brakes in here. Hold on. I'm gonna have to see if the brakes work. The bright light is broken out. Whatever you put that. Huh?
I think this is your transmission fluid.
Ooh, what you do?
Nothing. It's transmission fluid.
No, it's like,
This stick is not, it's broken.
oh, yeah. Looks like there's some in there, right?
Yeah, plenty of transmission fluid.
Huh?
I think this is your brake fluid. This is your trans.
Everything looks like this. Looks like some brake fluid in there.
Yeah.
Push it out. All right, y'all. So everything looks clean under the hood. So I do need that. I need the corner light. Sounds good. Engine definitely moves when you hear me? The engine definitely moves when you put it in gear. Might need some new engine mounts soon. I don't know if I can get this off. No, this was right. We'll have to get these numbers off somewhere. All right. Throw that over there. Both brake lights work. Hopefully put the tag right here. I don't know if there's a thing. Let me see if there's any screws. Ah, damn.
You ain't got no screws?
Nah, I'll just put it in the window. might be some in the front. This gets stuck a little bit just because the light. Oh man, we put it right. Like, I'm gonna have to fix that because you can't see the numbers, but I'll fix it in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so seems to be riding good. So yeah, he's taking it around in a circle. Whoa, a little kick to it, y'all. Did they have a little kick? Oh, with the knife. Yeah, that's what I meant to check. It was in my head, but the radio probably don't work. The tip of the antenna's broken. I'm about to fix the tag in the back.
All the tires are good.
Yeah, see, you see the light back here? I'm gonna just have to get a new light. All right, you guys, so this is the car that I got right here. I got it Copart sublot. But this is my car, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was kind of like all over the place, but I'm gonna do a better one after. But this is the vehicle, and about to drive it home a couple hundred miles. So let's see in the next video if I make it.